and welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share with you guys deals at Target. It's not just Ibotta deals. I feel like Target and Ibotta haven't been getting along very well because beforehand I used to get a ton of stuff with Ibotta. I don't know if it's just the summer or if it's just Ibotta is just not, you know, kicking it into gear, but we'll see. We'll see what happens more in the fall happens. But I am here to share with you guys some great deals that I got at Target. Now, I'm going to kind of start showing you guys more deals instead of just Ibotta deals. A lot of you guys do the Ibotta deals, and that's awesome, but I still want to kind of show you guys some deals in case you're interested in that. But what I ended up getting is I bought the Nivea body wash. Now, please keep in mind, there was 3 different kinds and there were 3 different prices. I got the what is this? The shimmer and diamond powder. Now, these were $3.99. I got like the coconut one. Those were $4.89. And then I found one that was orange blossom for $1.38. I'm like, what is going on here? So I'm going to share with you guys the deals that I got. So now Target has a deal where if you buy any body wash, it has to be over $3.99 to get the gift card deal. So what you guys want to do is you guys want to buy 3 of the Nivea body wash. Now this is the Care and Sparkle Shimmer with Sparkling Diamond Powder. These were $3.99. There is a 25% off deal on Cartwheel. So you guys would end up paying $8.98 for all 3 of these. Now, I do roll my gift cards. I save my gift cards that I get from every week, and I use those to pay stuff. But you guys would end up getting a $5 gift card for buying 3 of them, making these just $3.98 for all 4 of them, or $1.33 a piece. Benjamin, can you go upstairs, please? Thank you. You're making noise. I don't like it. Go upstairs. Okay, just don't sing down here, honey. So I think $1.33 for Nivea is a pretty good deal if you guys are interested in that. Now these were the ones that were $3.99, and I had to go back and put the other one back on the shelf. Well, I found this one all by its lonesome. This was $1.38, and I'm like, is that true? Like, is that really $1.38? And I'm like, oh, I could get these, but then I said, oh, it has to be over $3.99. So I'm like, I'm still gonna get this because I think this is a great deal. But you guys want to check your stores. This is the Orange Blossom that I got. If you just type in Nivea Care and Orange Blossom, this might show up at your store. But I scanned it, and online it showed it was $1.38 at my store too. So $1.38, you guys want to use that 25% off Cartwheel deal. You guys would just get this for $1.03. So I ended up getting this for $1.03. I think that is a pretty good deal. I didn't even smell it. It smells like orange soda. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I got those for you. So had to share with you guys on that deal in case your store hasn't. Now you guys cannot get the gift card if you guys do that deal, okay? Just giving you guys a heads up on that. Now I got this big bottle of Tone body wash. Now I know there was some peelies on some of this stuff at one point, but I didn't find any peelies. Don't. So these were $5.49. There is a 20% off Cartwheel, and you guys want to buy 3 of these. 3 of these big bad boys. Now they are kind of hard to find. This is the only kind my store has. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. So these were $5.49. You guys use that 20% off. You guys would pay $13.18 for all 3 of these. But then you guys will get a $5 gift card, and you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta times 3. So that is an awesome deal. So these each come out to be, or these come out to be $5.18 or $1.73 a piece, which for a giant bottle of body wash, $1.73, I think it's a great deal. Now this is the Mango Splash with cocoa butter and papaya. So if you guys are interested in doing that deal, go for it. I do like I like the body wash. Something's like sticky all of a sudden. I do like the body wash when it has the pump because it's just sometimes a little bit easier, you know, when you're not all slippery, you know, with slip, 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 slip. Okay. Another deal that I did is I did the St. Ives face stuff because I really want to start showing you guys more deals that you guys can do instead of just Ibotta. Like, I'm just like, oh, I kind of want to do that deal, but I'm like, I don't know. Like, I'm willing to pay a little bit out of pocket to share with you guys deals. So, yes. So, the St. Ives were $3.59. Now, they have like 4 different kinds. I got the apricot scrub, which I don't even smell these. I just get them. It smells pretty good. I also got the coconut and coffee scrub. I thought my mother-in-law would like this. And that smells like coffee. And then I ended up getting the oatmeal scrub and mask, which I think that smells good. That smells good. So, sorry you guys, I'm just smelling stuff. So, these were $3.59. There is a 10% off cartwheel. You guys would pay $9.69 for all 3 of these. But then you guys will get a $5 gift card, making it $4.69 or just $1.56 a piece. So if you guys are interested in products like this, go for it. St. Ives is something I don't get a lot of stuff for. Like, I very rarely ever get the body wash, let alone the facial scrubs or the scrubs. So, wanted to share with you guys with that deal. I got the Bic pens. These were 99 cents. Now, Target in the last year has updated their policy where if you get a coupon that has an overage, it automatically adjusts. So these were 99 cents. So that $1 off coupon that we just got in yesterday's paper adjusts it to 99 cents. So you got these absolutely free. I like stocking up on pens because, and I wish that they're clickable because like the guys at work use the clickable ones, but a lot of them just don't care. So I bring a lot of these pens to work. So that's pretty much what I do, is give them to work. So I had to get the pens for the guys at work. Now I ended up getting this Neutrogena Men face wash. I didn't even smell it. Let's see. It smells like a guy. It smells like a guy. So this was $4.22 for this. You guys want to use that $2 off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would pay $2.22 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 72 cents. So I actually hate to say this, but my husband will probably try this. He's just like, he's into using some of my stuff, like my makeup stuff, and it's just like, dude, you're weird, but whatever. So I will bet 2 out of 1 my husband will get this. He wants to try it. He likes to wash his face. Go for it. And what I like is there's glitter. It's like glitter plastic, so look at that. So there you go, Graham. I got you a product for you to use. And then I got his favorite. This thing will be gone by the time I wake up tomorrow, literally. He absolutely loves these. Is the La Colombe, whatever. I don't know. It's a coffee drink, but he loves these. So these are on sale for $2.50. You guys want to print off the coupon from the La Colombe website. Now, if you guys can't find that, what I end up doing is I go to Lazo.com and I type in this name and it'll take you right to the website. So print that coupon off. You guys would just get, you guys would pay $1.50 for this, but then you guys can submit on Ibotta a $1 rebate, making it just 50 cents. So he loves these, and I should actually get more of these for him because it's a limit of 5, but wanted to share with you guys with that. And yes, that was my haul. I know it wasn't a lot of items, but I was pretty excited to share with you guys what I got. My total came to $36.58. I ended up getting $5.75 with Ibotta. That was from the La Colombe the Neutrogena, and then the Bic times, or not the Bic, the Tone body wash times 3. Plus I got a 25-cent any receipt, so got that. I also received $15 back in gift cards from the Nivea, the St. Ives, and then the Tone body wash. So my grand total came to $15.83. I ended up getting 13 items, all for just $1.21 a piece, which if you guys think about it, I think that's a pretty good deal for some of the items that you got. I also submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards for the St. Ives, and I ended up getting points for that, but I had to adjust something, so I don't know exactly what I got on that St. Ives, or on that receipt for Target, but just want to give you guys a heads up. Fetch Rewards, basically when you guys buy Unilever, and there's tons of other things on there, you guys submit your receipt and you get points, and you get bonus points for buying certain brands, and you guys can end up getting gift cards. Now the lowest you can redeem a gift card is $3. So right now, if you guys click my link below, you guys will get 2,000 points for joining Fetch Rewards through my link. So that's $2 of free money right there. So all you guys need to do is get $1 more of points, which could happen super fast if you guys just keep submitting every single receipt that you get. Mostly Walmart, Target, Walgreens, CVS, and groceries. Like some of those ones they don't take, but basically all the grocery stores, and then those, you know, the main stores. Scan your receipt and you guys get free points. So wanted to share with you guys on that, but I was pretty excited to share with you guys some deals that I usually don't do, and if you guys enjoy deals like this, please let me know. I was pretty excited to get some of the items that I did get, and my husband will be happy too that I got him some goodies. Again, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already for weekly Target hauls, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.